This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're still at the expo and I was just going to show you guys a BYD model that you don't have in Europe. It might come one day, I'm not sure, or it might not ever come. But it's BYD M6. It's like a, I'm not sure what you call it, SUV crossover, but it's quite spacious. So let's see. Oh, yeah, okay, the front just got available now. We are in the public day, so okay, well, he wants to go in there. Yeah, just go ahead. Wait. We can check out the trunk first then. So that guy is just trying to clean the car, and then we always touch the car. Okay, it doesn't have motorized liftgate, but it's a 7-seat. No, this is a 6-seater. So you can take up this. Then it becomes okay seats. Now, how do you fold it again? There, just fold it like that. We have cup holder there, but that's pretty much it. There's a speaker there, no USB in the back there. What about here? Do we have anything there? Yeah, okay, at least some space there, but with the seats up, then you don't have that much space. But there's no USB, there's no travel outlet or any securing hooks in the back here. So it seems to be more like a people carrier than well, whatever. Or at least you can also put cargo in there. Let me see. Here it just says space. Okay. And then, wow, look at this. So the second row has this, oh, okay, you can kind of fold it to enter there. You can go through the middle. But I need to test now. How good is the comfort here if you sit like this? Okay, can I then recline it slightly? Let me see. Oh, you can. Wow, huh? What? I can recline quite a lot. This is more than most other cars. Yeah, same with that. And then I think the lady just climbed in between the seat to get in the third row. So let me see here. We have door pocket, sorry, not door. We have pocket behind the seat here. We have some HVAC settings here. We have USB-A, USB-C, that seems to be standard. And then here, okay, not that much fancy schmancy stuff over here. No window and whatever sunshade here. At least we have HVAC here. No sunroof or anything. Headroom seems to be okay-ish, but I might, no, it's okay. Yeah, the seat seems to be able to go forward. Yeah, I can go forward, or I can go back, but it cannot go up and down. So that means that the headroom here is roughly one fist. And in the front seat, okay, this is probably the purse of the lady in the back there. We have this cup holder, yeah, standard gear selector here. Seems to be, I'm not sure how many charging pads we have. And then here a little center console with 12-volt outlet there, USB-A, USB-C, and seems to be a micro SD slot there. So the small center console there. Conventional, yeah, here. Okay. And then the screen is not that big, but it can also rotate like most BYDs. And for the driver, yeah, okay. Well, huh? This is a bit weird. It has a more conventional. But is it fossil? No, it is electric. Yeah, I was thinking, hey, is this hybrid? No, is it? Yeah, but this is weird. It's just analog gauges here, and then we have this screen, and you can probably just like on any BYD build your dreams, you can do this. Let's go back in. So, and then let me see. No, my bad. It's not in the same position. How do you rotate? There, my bad. I'm a noob, yes. But it's a bit hard plastic all over the place here. Okay, here's a bit soft. Do we have double glazed windows here? No, it's just regular. So it's probably not the high end of BYD, but let me see. Hey, just manual adjustment. I thought we would have electric adjustable seats here. Nope. I just want to go as low as possible. Let me just close the door to get better exposure, and then let's see. Oh yeah, okay, at least plenty of headroom. LED technology, huh? How about that? What? Look under the hood. What the heck? Okay, you know, BYD, they don't only make pure electric, they also make hybrids. It's probably for a hybrid drivetrain, but there is so much space here. I could put maybe at least 2, maybe even 3 banana boxes in here. It has massive space. It's weird that BYD didn't even bother trying to make a frunk. Maybe these components are not able to hold the weight of the frunk, but they could have just did something here and then maybe put a label maximum 10 kilograms something, or I don't know, 15 kilograms for some cable and some backpacks, whatever. But yeah, so it seems to be front wheel drive, and that's it. The front, there you guys have it, BYD M6. It should, I mean, if it came to Europe, I think it should sell. I mean, it's a spacious car, 6-seater, probably not going to be that expensive. Why not bring it to Europe? What do you guys think? Or just keep it in Asia? That's going to be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.